Here goes our waterfalls downtown in Fitzgerald, Georgia, Benhill County. Pretty, ain't it? Look at it. Some of you can't hardly tell as you get up close. That's waterfalling for you right there. Yeah, that's on one side. The right side, just the left side. Yeah. Now look at it. Down in here. Pretty, ain't it? Yeah, pretty. Yeah. I'm Sandy like Duffy from Fitzgerald, Georgia. Yeah. This is my flag. Raining outside in Fitzgerald. Yeah, look at everything else out here besides just the waterfalls. You can tell it just started getting night. Yeah. Looking good. Look down that ground. Blue and gray. Over there usually has some light, but not tonight. And as you can tell, it's raining. And I got wet while I was sweating too. I always want to feel like I want to have fun in the rain anyway, so that's my chance. Fitzgerald, Georgia. Yeah. There it is. It's so cute. Fitzgerald and Kirsty, that's so cute. You hardly ever see that. Told y'all, I'm in Fitzgerald, Georgia. My hometown. Yep. I like this trash can. They usually don't have it here, but they got one now. Thank goodness it looked fine. And you can see